cyber law and its components. Welcome to the digital age, where technology is no longer a luxury but a necessity. The way we communicate, trade, and govern has been transformed. We now live in a world of e-communication, e-commerce, and e-governance. This digital shift has introduced us to new terms like the cyber world, e-transactions, e-banking, e-returns, and online contracts. But with this digital shift comes new challenges and complexities that demand a robust framework. This is where cyber law steps in. What constitutes cyber law? Cyber law is the backbone of our digital society, governing everything from e-transactions and e-contracts to intellectual property rights in cyberspace. Telecommunications are also an essential component of ICTs and affect cyberspace, hence, rules regarding telecommunications have been incorporated in this framework. Among the two principal enactments aimed at these developing ideas are Model Law on E-commerce, 1996, and Model Law on Electronic Signatures, 2001. It ensures that as we move our transactions from physical to digital, they remain valid and secure, protecting the rights of all parties involved. Let's delve into the essential components of cyber law. When disagreements arise over e-contracts, it's crucial to determine which laws apply based on jurisdiction. Intellectual property risk. Intellectual property in cyberspace. Traditional modes of protection for intellectual property that include patents, trademarks, and copyrights are still relevant but acquire new dimensions in the cyber world. For instance, it is essential to understand the ways domain name protection and trademark rights operate in conjunction with the application of copyright to computer programs. Key issues addressed include introduction of a public key infrastructure for secure transactions and identification, balancing national security concerns with human rights, particularly the right to privacy, determining which jurisdictions laws apply in disputes arising from online agreements or services. The growing need for international cooperation and extradition arrangements to address cross-border infringements resulting from ICTs. The importance of electronic evidence, e-evidence. Challenges related to taxation, trademarks, copyright, and other digital rights in the context of ICT applications. Cyber law, therefore, is the comprehensive, evolving complex body of law aimed at steering us through the difficulties and opportunities created by our ever-increasing digital lives. In conclusion, cyber law is not just a set of regulations but a necessary shield that protects and empowers us in the digital world. Thank you.